Okay, we can do unboxing. Oh, I have to open this, man. Do you have any idea? You pull or what? Pull. It's called iPhone 12 Pro. What is it all? Max, man. Pro Max. Looks like this. I got it today. Oh. It was sent like this box. That's the box. I open it and then, okay, this is the phone. Alright. Looks like this. Alright, this is the phone and then open up. Inside, got this. And I guess it's a note. Kind of square. It's got Apple logo. And SIM's card right here. Turn on button, I don't know, right here. And Martin will teach me how to do this shit. Okay, so that's what it is. Weird. Oh, it's got a 1, 2, 3. I thought 4, but it's only 3. Or maybe this one is LDR. I'm not sure. Okay, here we come.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Uh-oh.